Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something so beautiful that even people who normally think a trailer is just a metal box with wheels suddenly start speaking about artistic vision and timeless design. Meet the Navajo Maiden, a 1965 Airstream Overlander Land Yacht, transformed from a forgotten wreck into a rolling mid-century masterpiece. This is not the kind of restoration where someone simply adds fresh paint and hopes nobody notices the holes. This is the kind of project that makes collectors smile, designers applaud, and toxic neighbors complain that your trailer looks nicer than their entire house. The story of the Navajo Maiden begins with a genuine American icon. The donor vehicle was a 1965 Airstream Overlander Land Yacht, one of the most recognizable travel trailers ever produced by the legendary Airstream Company in the United States. During the 1960s, Airstream had already established itself as a symbol of freedom, adventure, and premium travel. Their polished aluminum trailers were instantly recognizable on highways across North America and earned the nickname Land Yachts because they offered comfort and luxury while traveling. The particular Overlander that would eventually become Navajo Maiden was far from glamorous when its restoration journey began. After years of abandonment, the trailer had deteriorated into a state that many people would have considered hopeless. More than 60 animals had taken up residence inside. Rats, mice, and even a possum apparently decided that premium real estate should never go to waste. When I told my friend Timmy about that, he said 60 animals sounded like a family reunion at one of his ex-wife's houses. The owner, based in Arkansas, spent nearly 5 years convincing custom fabricator Eoin Murphy and designer Grundy-Murphy of Borien Design to take on the project. The Irish-Canadian couple were already planning a major life change. In 2017, they had decided to leave Canada and relocate permanently to Ireland during the summer of 2018. As a result, this ambitious Airstream restoration would become one of their final Canadian projects. The trailer was transported from the United States to Toronto, and work began with a clear but challenging mission. The owner wanted a trailer inspired by mid-century aesthetics, while still offering modern comfort and functionality. At the same time, the original soul of the vintage Airstream had to remain intact. Fortunately, Eoin and Robin were given remarkable creative freedom, allowing them to pursue a vision that balanced preservation with innovation. The restoration became a true nut and bolt rebuild. Every component was examined, cleaned, repaired, restored, or replaced. The process lasted more than 13 months. Rather than discarding original elements, the team worked tirelessly to save as many authentic components as possible. Even the original badges survive. They were carefully restored and replated in brass, creating a striking contrast against the polished exterior while preserving a direct connection to the trailer's past. The name Navajo Maiden itself emerged from a fascinating discovery. During the restoration, the team found an old postcard hidden inside the trailer. Inspired by that artifact, they chose the name as a tribute to the forgotten stories and memories embedded within the vehicle. The trailer provides approximately 151 square feet, or about 14 square meters, of living space. Unlike many traditional travel trailers designed primarily for road trips, this one was envisioned as an entertaining and gathering space. That design philosophy influenced every aspect of the interior layout. The sleeping arrangements are remarkably generous. The front section features a master bed that also functions as a leather dining couch. At the rear sits a relaxed lounge area containing an additional bed. The central living area incorporates a foldable double bed, while a suspended canvas bed above further expands capacity. Altogether, the trailer can accommodate up to 7 people, an impressive figure considering its compact footprint. The original aluminum interior surfaces were removed and replaced with warm Canadian ashwood. This material appears throughout the trailer, including custom-built furniture and kitchen cabinetry. Clever details include a custom fold-away bar and integrated magazine storage, both reinforcing the mid-century character while remaining practical for everyday use. What truly separates the Navajo Maiden from countless other restored Airstreams is its design philosophy. Eoin Murphy and Grundy-Murphy were not trying to create a museum piece frozen in 1965. Instead, they imagined a living work of art that respected the past while embracing the present. Those lights perfectly captured the optimism and warmth of mid-century design, and the rest of the trailer evolved around them. It sounds unbelievable, but some of the greatest design projects begin with a single detail. Timmy once redesigned his entire living room around a discounted bar stool, though the results were considerably less impressive. Despite its vintage appearance, the Navajo Maiden is equipped for modern off-grid living. Hidden solar panels provide renewable power, supported by an inverter and battery system. A new freshwater tank offers extended independence, while storage compartments are designed to support longer stays away from traditional campgrounds. The bathroom includes a full indoor shower, and an additional outdoor shower adds convenience after hiking, swimming, or simply surviving a summer day. A composting toilet further enhances self-sufficiency. Modern entertainment was not forgotten either. Hidden within the stylish interior are a Bose soundbar, a digital projector, and Apple television. Heating and air conditioning ensure comfortable temperatures regardless of season. In other words, this trailer successfully combines 1960s charm with 21st century expectation. Even Bob admitted that if aliens ever arrived, they would probably choose this Airstream as their headquarters instead of his basement. Compared with many restored vintage trailers currently on the market, Navajo Maiden occupies a unique position. Some restorations focus almost entirely on originality, preserving every detail exactly as it left the factory. Others prioritize modern luxury and sacrifice historical character. Navajo Maiden manages to bridge both worlds. It retains the unmistakable identity of a classic Airstream, while introducing handcrafted details and technology that many modern RVs would envy. Projects like Navajo Maiden demonstrate how historic vehicles can be adapted for contemporary lifestyles without losing their authenticity. As for value, the original 1965 Airstream Overlander sold for only a few $1,000s when new, equivalent to tens of thousands of dollars today after adjusting for inflation. Highly restored examples now frequently command premium prices in the collector market. While no widely published auction result exists specifically for Navajo Maiden, comparable high-end custom Airstream restorations have attracted substantial interest among collectors and luxury buyers. In the end, Navajo Maiden represents far more than a restored travel trailer. A huge thank you goes to the channel members and sponsors who help keep these stories rolling. Without you, I'd probably be standing in a parking lot explaining vehicle history to confused pigeons. And for everyone watching, may your projects be successful, your tools stay where you left them, and may you never discover 60 unexpected roommates living inside your future restoration. Though if Timmy is involved, I wouldn't make any guarantees.